Welcome back to Barber and Haskill's Kitchen. My name's Amanda. Today we are making a one-pot pasta as voted on by our Facebook followers. This recipe was surprisingly really good. I had a little bit of low expectations because it was about 5 or 6 ingredients going into a pot, and it turned out really fantastic. You can have a little look here. It is a fettuccine Alfredo. It was super easy to make, so let's see how it's done. So that is how it's done. Some tips that I would give you: this said it made enough for 4 people. I would say it's more like a 2 servings. Great for a couple. You could double the recipe. There was definitely lots of room in the pan for that if you wanted to serve it up for 4 people, or you could use it as a side dish. Next time I make it, I would probably put in a protein, maybe some pre-cooked chicken or some bacon would be really delightful in here as well. So thank you so much for joining us on Barber and Haskill's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you have ideas for upcoming shows, we would love to hear from you. Thank you and see you next week.